Hi there, how are you all? I hope that you all are feeling fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. And today I'm pretty good. Actually, today I want to make an announcement that is from tomorrow I will practice my English regularly. I will make a video every single day. During this time, actually, this month is Muharram Mash, and as a Muslims, Muharram Mash is very special for us because especially for the first 10 days of Muharram is very important for us, and during these 10 days actually we try actually pray and fast because in 10 days within these 10 days we have a black history. Actually this history actually knows only Muslims. Also some Hindus, Christians, they know this history. This history is very black. So let's come to the topic. The topic is that from today I will try to make at least one video every day, because that I know that if I make a video, if I practice my English, I will be able to speak in English in the long run. So that's why I take this decision. So also I will make a video with my students definitely. Most of the people already know that I am teaching my students actually math and so many things, but I am very weak in English. But from today I will try to teach them English so that build my fluency, because they know that I am their teachers. If I make mistake, they actually could not find out the mistakes. That's the good idea for me, and I will take this chance. Okay, so if you have this type of facility of opportunity, you can try, and I will try definitely. So take care, bye bye. And okay, that's I forget to mention one thing, that is, if you follow this page, or if you follow these YouTube channels, you will be able to learn English, and also you will be able to solve math, because in the long run, because from tomorrow or some few days later I will upload so many math solving videos on my channel. So if you are interested to know how to solve the math, you can subscribe these channels. Also, as well as if you want to improve your English, definitely you can subscribe these channels to get more update video. And I will make this video for my build my communication skill first times, and if I can improve, I will give you some suggestions, I will give you some advice so that you can also apply on your daily life. You can understand English, you can understand how to speak in English. Okay, take care, bye bye.